In this video, I am going to show you a really cool design AI, and this is really helpful for creating, for example, logos and things. And since that can be really stressful at times, this is a really great AI to use. You can also use services such as enhance image quality or to generate stock footage. So now before we get into this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, so first what we want to do is we want to go to Google, and here we want to search for something called Unbound AI. So just search for that, and then this first website will pop up right here, and we are just going to click on that. So click on that, and then we'll be redirected to a site like this. So now we can get started with a free trial, so just click on that, and then you will be redirected down here, and you can choose the free trial to try it out. So just click on get started, and then you will be at a page right here. And now, as you guys can see, there are a lot of different tools. So of course the logo and icons one, it costs money because it's only with a paid plan that you can access that. But we have a really cool option to use an enhanced photo resolution tool or also a stock footage image generator. So we are just going to try that, and now we will just say something like a city at night, and now we can generate the stock footage. So we will obviously have to wait a second, and now as you guys can see, it generated these footage, and I chose cartoon style now, so you can also choose a lot of different styles, but I think this looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at this picture right here. You can download it if you want to, and then we can open it. And this looks absolutely gorgeous if you ask me. So this is really, really, really great. Now you can of course also search for different types of things, but I think this is a really great prompt right now to showcase this thing. So now let's also try another tool, for example the photo enhance tool. So we are just going to search for a photo with bad resolution, and then we are just going to upload our image we just found. So I chose this image right here now because it has some really bad resolution, and now we're going to try this tool. So just open that, and then we can click on generate. Now we'll again have to wait a second for it to generate this image. I'm not sure what happened here. Something happened right here, I don't know, but I think it just shows a little part of the image. But still, I think this is a great tool, Unbound AI. So if you want to use that, it's great, and I would definitely recommend you to use that. So definitely make sure to leave a like on this video and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.